The question is, if the pair of lines x square minus 2pxy minus y square equal to 0 and x square minus 2qxy minus y square equal to 0 be such that each pair bisects the angle between the other pair, then PQ is equal to, and your options are, first option is 1, second option is -1, third option is +-1, and fourth option is none of these. This question already asked in aieee 2003. Now the solution is, here to get the solution, first of all we will draw the figure. I am drawing here the figure. Here these are two lines, one is denoted by the red and one is denoted by the green. Suppose the first pair of lines, I am taking x square minus 2pxy minus y square is equal to 0 as the red line. Suppose this is the first, x square minus 2pxy minus y square is equal to 0, and the second, which is the green line, is x square minus 2qxy minus y square is equal to 0. Now the question says each pair bisects the angle between each other. So it means the green line is the bisector of the angle between the red lines, and the red line is the bisector of the angle between the green lines. So now here we will use the equation of angle bisector. Equation of the angle bisector, what we'll use here? That equation of bisector of angle between the pair of straight lines is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Is this formula is x square minus y square upon a minus b is equal to xy upon h. This is the formula for the equation of the bisector of angle between the pair of straight lines. So if you take the first line as x square minus 2pxy minus y square equal to 0. So equation of bisector of angles between the pair of lines x square minus 2pxy minus y square equal to 0 is, this will be x square minus y square upon, see here, if you compare from these two, a is 1 and b is -1. So by using this formula we can write 1 minus 1 is equal to xy upon h. So again we will compare with this one and this one. We will get here h is equal to minus p. So it is xy upon minus p. Now we will transfer, this becomes 1 minus 1, it becomes 2. So you can transfer 2 in this side. X square minus y square is equal to minus 2 upon pxy. So you can write here x square plus 2 upon pxy minus y square is equal to 0. This is the equation of angle bisectors of the angle between this pair of lines. Question says the bisector of the angles between these lines is x square minus 2qxy minus y square equal to 0. But given bisectors are x square minus 2qxy minus y square is equal to 0. So if you compare these two lines will represent the same line, the green line. So the coefficients of x square, xy, y square from the first and from the second both should be proportional. You can see here the coefficient of x square are same, 1 and 1. Coefficient of y square is same, -1 and -1. So the coefficient of xy will be also same. It should be same. So by comparing we get here 2 upon p is equal to minus 2q. So 1 is equal to minus pq. So from here you will get pq is equal to -1. And hence, by using the option, you can see the second option is the correct option. So you can write here the option number 2 is correct. I'm taking another question. The question is, the triangle formed by the lines lx plus my plus n equal to 0 and lx plus my whole square minus 3 into mx minus ly whole square is equal to 0 is, and your options are, so the first option is right angle triangle, second is isosceles triangle, third is equilateral triangle, and the fourth is scalene triangle. So now here everything based on the angle. Right angle triangle means any one angle is equal to 90 degree. Isosceles triangle, it means two angles will be equal. Equilateral triangle, all the three angles are equal. Scalene triangle, all the three angles are unequal. So here, the first of all, we will find the angle between two lines. How we will find it? So, see here, since the given line is, the first line is given here, lx plus my plus n equal to 0. And the second line, which is given as a quadratic equation, it means it will represent a pair of a straight line. So here it will be lx plus my whole square minus 3 into mx minus ly whole square is equal to 0. This is your second equation. You have three lines, 2 is here, 1 is here, and we'll find out the angle between those two lines. How we will find it? The one way is that first of all factorize this one, then write it in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and then we will find the angle between all the three lines taken two at a time. And the another way is, for the second, for the pair of a straight line, you can directly use it, the angle between the straight lines. We did in the previous class that if theta be the angle between the pair of straight lines, then tan theta is equal to, that will be 2 into root under h square minus ab upon a plus b and mod. So you can use that formula to calculate the angle. But right now I'm using the first method, that first of all will factorize and you will get three straight lines and then we'll solve. So after the factorization, you will get here lx plus my minus root 3 into mx minus ly into lx plus my plus root 3 into mx minus ly is equal to 0, and hence it becomes L minus root 3 mx plus m plus root 3 ly into L plus root 3 mx plus m minus root 3 ly is equal to 0. So you will get here L minus root 3 mx plus m plus root 3 ly equal to 0, and L plus root 3 mx plus m minus root 3 ly is equal to 0. So now you get three equations. You will get the triangle. So we get the triangle formed by lines 1, 3 and 4. So now we'll find one by one the angle between 1 and 3, angle between 1 and 4, and the angle between 3 and 4. For lines 1 and 3, tan theta 1 is equal to, we did two types of formula. One is based on the slopes and one is based on the coefficient of x, y and the constant term. I hope so you remember both the formula, but right now I am using here the second formula, that is using the coefficients. I am writing here the formula first. So this is the formula, tan theta is equal to a1 b2 minus b1 a2 upon a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Using this formula, now we'll calculate the angle between the lines 1 and 3. For the line 1, A1 is given here L, and for the line 3, the B2 is M plus root 3 L minus B1. B1 is here M into A2, and A2 is given here L minus root 3 M divided by L into L minus root 3 M plus B1 B2, so it will be M into M plus root 3 L. Now we will simplify it. So when you open the bracket, it becomes Lm plus root 3 L square minus Ml plus root 3 M square, and here you will get L square minus root 3 Lm plus M square plus root 3 Ml. So this root 3 Ml and this root 3 Lm cancel, this Ml and this Lm cancel, and you will get here finally you will get root 3 L square plus M square divided by L square plus M square, and then again L square plus M square get cancelled, and you get tan theta 1 is equal to root 3. So tan theta 1 is equal to root 3. It means theta 1 is pi by 3. One angle is pi by 3. Now we will find the angle between another pair. I am taking here the another pair as third and fourth. Now for lines 3 and 4, tan theta 2 is equal to mod. Again we'll use the same formula. The formula is same, A1 B2 minus B1 A2 upon A1 A2 plus B1 B2. But for the line 3 and 4, A1 is, for the 3, the A1 is L minus root 3 M. L minus root 3 M into M plus root 3 L minus B1 A2. So it will be M plus root 3 L. Now I am taking the line 1 and 4. Again we'll use the same formula. Tan theta 2 is equal to A1 B2 minus B1 A2 upon A1 A2 plus B1 B2. So tan theta 2 is equal to, here A1 is here L into B2. B2 is here M minus root 3 L. M minus root 3 L minus B1. B1 is here M into A2. A2, that means for the line number 4, A2 is L plus root 3 M divided by A1 A2. So it will be L into L plus root 3 M plus B1 B2. So it will be M into M minus root 3 L, and then mod. Now we will simplify it. Tan theta 2 is equal to Lm minus root 3 L square minus Lm minus root 3 M square upon L square plus root 3 Lm plus M square minus root 3 Lm, and hence you get here again root 3 Lm cancel, Lm cancel. So from the above terms you can take minus root 3 common, and hence it will be L square plus M square upon L square plus M square mod, and you will get finally equal to root 3, which is tan theta 2, and hence theta 2 is again pi by 3. So you will get the line 1 and 3 when you solve, then you get the angle between those two pi by 3. The angle between the line 1 and line 4 is pi by 3. So obviously the angle between third and 4 also you will get pi by 3 by using the angle sum property of a triangle, because all of the 3 angles you will get pi by 3, and hence the triangle is an equilateral triangle. Using angle sum property of a triangle, we get theta 3 is also equal to pi by 3. So triangle is an equilateral triangle as all the three angles are equal and equal to pi by 3. So the correct option is the option number 3, that is equilateral triangle. So option third is correct option.